I still see people calling themselves newbie, and it made me to wonder what exactly is newbie. These people that are calling themselves newbie, do they actually know what a newbie is? Because most of the people that I've had conversations with, when they tell you they're a newbie, what they're basically telling you is that they are just coming into the space. They've not been here for a very long time. And I think that is a wrong mindset. Why? Because there are people that have been here for 5 years, but still they are not still hitting it big. There are people that have been here since 7 years ago, but they still don't know what they are doing. So the difference between a newbie and an OG is not actually about the amount of time spent. It's about the knowledge acquired, what goes into your head. That is why you notice that Notcoin onboarded a lot of people into this space as at last year. But between that last year and now, there are still a lot of people that they are still where they are, hoping and praying on airdrops to bring them out of their financial issues. And when an airdrop finally does not cook, or the airdrop does not meet up with their expectation, they end up calling airdrop scam. For example, if you check most of my videos, whenever I talk about an airdrop, even though it's not listed yet, you see people calling it dust. Those are the type of people. What they know how to do is to call a project dust or to call it a scam. Meanwhile, there are also people that Notcoin onboarded as at that time, but as at now, they are not where they used to be. They have moved on, they have blown. So it is not actually about the amount of time that you spend. It is about what goes into your head. So someone can come into this Web3 space 3 months ago, and as at now, he is not where he used to be. Meanwhile, you that you have been in this space for a very long time, you still don't know what you are doing. You are still stagnant because you don't want to evolve. You don't want to move out of your comfort zone. You just don't want to learn. You want to be where you are, and then you want that money they are looking for to come and meet you where you are. You go keep the weight. Oh. A lot of people also want to make money. But if you ask them, have you ever read a book about money? Probably the definition they have about money is the definition that they heard somewhere or whatsoever. But personally, have you ever picked up a book to learn or to read or to study money? You just hear people saying, I want to make money. How much money do you want to make? They don't know. What do you want to do? What is your strategy to making this money? They don't have anything at all. And you still see the same people 2, 3, 4, 5 years later, they are still telling you they want to make money. People are even hoping on grace, luck, and blah, blah, blah. I don't believe in those things. I believe in strategic planning, strategic positioning. So here is the thing. The difference between a newbie and an OG in the space is not actually the amount of time. It's about what goes into your head, what you spend your time acquiring. So when you hear about Web3, it is not all about airdrop. It's a whole lot bigger than airdrops. There are a whole lot of things you can do in this space and make money. Either you're a graphics designer, you're a video content creator, you're a cybersecurity expert, you can name it, any skill at all that you know, you can make money off of it in the Web3 space. The only thing is for you to get the right information, get the right knowledge, and also positioning. So here is my advice for you. This space is not all about airdrop. If you're watching this video right now, this is your call for you to go and study. Go and understand the whole concept of what Web3 is all about, the blockchain technology, crypto. If possible, research what are even these airdrops that you are hoping to make money from, and then study NFTs, study a whole. In fact, the Web3 space is very broad. You study a whole lot of things in this space, and then you study Web3 jobs and see where suits you that you can make money from. And these things are easy to access. If you want to learn right now, you can go on YouTube, go and search on YouTube. You can purchase courses on any of these platforms and learn. If you want a faster method, you can now come to me myself. I am now teaching people, and it's not for free. If you want free videos or you want to learn for free, go to my YouTube channel. I've made a lot of videos on that. You can't miss out. Go there. You can also check my X channel, which is Tonio's Tech. I do host spaces every Saturday alongside Kadikado Crypto, whereby we onboard people to the space and dish out a lot of free knowledge. But if you want to attend a class with me, whereby you're going to understand this whole thing that I have been explaining since, you are going to understand the different jobs in this Web3 space and where you can position yourself to start making money, yes, my DM is open. You can come to me. And like I've said, it's not for free. The class is going to be starting by September. I'm going to be hosting the class for 6 weeks. That is 2 times in a week till the end of the 6 weeks. When you successfully complete this session, then you're going to get your certificate. And for those of you that might probably miss some days, even though I will not advise you to miss any day, I don't like people missing classes, but there will be a pre-recording of the class. And note, it's not a course whereby I'm telling you to go and buy and read, even though I don't have a problem with courses, but then this one is going to be a live session personally with me, and I might also be bringing some other speakers to come and teach you some of these things. So yes, my DM is open, or you can also check the link on my profile. You're going to see this there that they say WhatsApp class. Click on it. It's going to redirect you to my WhatsApp where you can message me and go ahead with the registration. And that is basically it.